today's video, we are going to learn how to get the full name from first name, middle name, and last name using concatenate. So what we are going to do is I have my first name, middle name, last name, and I want to get the full name. I'm going to apply a formula called concatenate. So I'm equal to then concatenate. Okay, so it's already, I'll select it. Okay, then I'll select the first name. Okay, and then comma, then I'll bring double quote, then space, then another double quote, I'll bring another comma. Okay, then come and select the middle name, then comma, now bring double quote, space, double quote, then another comma. Now come and select the last name. This is in the double quote is so that there will be spaces in between the names. So when I press on the enter key, as you can see, we've gotten our full name. Okay, so that is it. So you can just drag it to get the rest of the name. So this is how you can use concatenate in Excel to get the full names from first name, middle name, and the last name. So let's continue to use the same function to generate email address for the names we have here. So I have first name, last name. Okay, so we are going to combine these two to generate email address. Okay, so we are going to use the same function. So concatenate, then we select the first name, comma, the last name, comma, then bring double quote. Let's say at excelguru.com. Okay, at excelguru.com, and then so let's bring another double quote here. Okay, then hit on the enter key. So that is it. So when I drag it, okay, so that is, so this is how you can also use the concatenate to also generate email address. Okay, so we are going to also see how we can combine the first names and the last name to get a full name using the Ampersand. So that is equal to, okay, so select the first name, then we'll bring the Ampersand. Okay, then double quote, then bring space. Okay, so that we can have space between the first and the last name, then another double quote, then bring the Ampersand again, then you select the last name and then you press enter. So that is it. So we have the full names for each of the name in the data. So let's try to format it. So that is it. So this is how you can also use the Ampersand to get the full name. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.